everybody, it's me again. I just wanted to do the short version of this little episode or series that I had going on. I did 3 live videos with this stuff here, so they were start to finish videos, but they were live, and I'll try to link those 3 videos down below because I explain and I actually put it all together on those live videos. So this is for Scrap the World's embellishment box swap. I'm in group number 1, and this is just the short version so that you could just see real quick if you don't want to watch those other videos that are kind of long. But in those 3 videos, I share how I decorate this Dollar Tree container. I share how, in another video, I share how I fill it. And then in the 3rd video, I share my packaging, which is this really cute drawstring bag. So if you need details, you're going to have to go to those videos for the details, because I explain everything and where things are from and whatnot. So this is the short video, and here we go. So here it is. I did make one for Tamika, and hers anyway, here's how they look when they're full, and if I have to, I will send extra money for the shipping, because I think they are a little bulkier than I'm used to as far as the group swaps. So her is gonna have, her package is gonna have this little tag with her name on it, because there's like a very slight difference in her box, and that's because when I put these all together, I had them rowed up, you know, in a row. The box was upside down when I was decorating them. So hers, her bow is going to be up here, and butterfly down here, and then the heart down here. And then the other difference is the dangle that's in here, which I shared in the videos, is a light pink because I didn't have any more peach. But that is the only difference. Everything else is exactly the same. So let me just show you real quick a little close-up. It is so pretty and sparkly. And there's the side. That's the bottom. I did do a little bit of that texture paste, or just the paste, you know, underneath as well. So that's how I altered the Dollar Tree container. It still works, as you can see. And here are all the compartments filled. Okay. Sorry, I just had like a cough attack. So I wanted to share also, because we were supposed to do 3 embellishments, make 3 embellishments for the swap. And mine are this butterfly, and it's a punch, and I just put the stickles, I mean the, like a glass glitter, and then a little bit of trim for the body. So that's one. My 3rd embellishment is actually a dangle, and then, I mean, that was the 2nd embellishment. My 3rd embellishment is a stick pin. Okay, so I just pretty much filled it with some of the stuff that I use in the projects, and then some extras. I did put trims in here that's wrapped in washi. I did put some flowers under the butterfly. There's more butterfly cutouts, a little bit of the trim, and then some flowers in there. There's one little thing with a washi sample, and then 2 extra cards to put more on there. There's a couple of bags of the glitter that I used. There's a little bag sequence mix here. There's a little teacup, a wooden teacup in there, a couple of resin pieces, a couple of dangles or tassels, bling pieces. Over here there's some more like beads and things, bead caps, and then there's a gold glitter clip and some more stick pins, and then some shaped clips and a binder clip. Okay, but I do go into extreme detail in those other videos, so if you need to know anything, please head over there. So then, as my packaging, I decided to go a little extra and alter a zip or a pull string bag that was gifted to me. I got a package of 12 of these, and it's a nice size, and it fits those perfectly even after it's wrapped in tissue. And then I did again do this live, so I show exactly what I do and the trims that I've used, and it's just a lot of layers. A little bit of halfback pearls there, a nice flower, and a bow that I made. So that's that. And then I'll show you how I've wrapped it inside also, because I did. I'll open this one up. Okay, so as you can see, it does open and close nicely. And inside I went ahead and I'm not going to show you the goodies. It's just a couple, not much, because the whole thing is like goodies, you know. And also the wrapping, there's tissue from the Dollar Tree, and I put in a doily that's knotted here so you can reuse that, so that's part of the gifts. And extra trim here as, you know, just extra packaging. And you do have to have your information, so I decided to use my business cards, and on there I already have my YouTube channel and Instagram and my name plus my shop. But on the back I went ahead and wrote down, you know, what this is for and the group that I am in and the month and year. I don't put a date because I never know when it's gonna ship, so I just tuck that in there and it kind of coordinates. So that's pretty much it. Again, there's a couple of other items, not a lot, just a couple things. And you know, again, the whole box itself has a lot of stuff in it. So now I gotta see what I'm gonna put this in. And again, I'll probably have to end up paying extra for shipping, but that's okay, I don't mind. I don't do too many swaps, and I really like the way these came out. So look at how pretty. So anyway, thanks for watching, and the links will be down below to my videos that, you know, I'm making these in, and then also to Tamika's channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.